Everyone's asking about AI, how to use it, where to start. But here's the pattern we keep seeing. The bigger issue isn't whether you're using AI, it's what you're plugging it into. We work with manufacturers and B2B merchants whose operations are stretched thin. Disconnected systems, manual data entry, and tribal knowledge that no one has written down. Add AI to optimize, everything's just going to buckle even faster. Automation only helps when you have a solid foundation. Otherwise, you're just accelerating bad handoffs, bad data, and bad customer experiences, which is why cleanup has to come first. If your current setup is slowing you down, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm Jace Anderson. I share what actually works and what doesn't in sales operations and automation. Or if you'd prefer to start exploring on your own, grab the cheat sheet below. It's the same set of questions we use to find and fix system gaps before AI makes them worse. Thanks for watching. Shoot me a message anytime if you'd like to talk it through.